Welcome to my channel. I'm Jay Extra, and I'm gonna be reviewing these Air Jordan 10 Steels.
So tell me about yourself, Jay Extra. Who are you?
I'm Jay Extra, and I want to be a professional wrestler when I grow up.
So, Jay Extra, do you like the Steel 10s?
Pretty much, I do like the Steel 10s, because it has gray and white. I kind of like gray and white, and I like black, pretty much.
Would you wear these shoes?
Pretty much, for school, I would wear these. I wear these for school.
Okay. What's your favorite Jordan?
Favorite Jordan? Okay. I like that one mostly out of all these shoes.
Why do you like those?
Because it has blue, and blue's my favorite color.
Who's your favorite color? Okay.
Inside it has blue in it. It has blue in it. It has... And the inside it has blue in it. It has a blue Jumpman. And they have little words, lots of words that says MVP Championship. They have white leather on there, and they have a Jumpman on the back. But the first Jumpman was a blue one, and the back one now, the other one is a black one. It has black laces. They have eyelets around the laces. Like on the box, it has the first 10 Jordan. Michael Jordan's in on the box with the first 10 shoes on it. To be honest, I wouldn't wear them to be a wrestler.
Why?
Cause I don't think I'd wear these to be a wrestler, cause it don't look good enough wearing these. I think it should be black like the rest of the shoe. This is the old one. And this is the new one. Differences I see on this shoe is that in the inside of this shoe, it has colors of a Jumpman of yellow, blue, red, yeah. And then on the back, instead of blue, they have red. On the old one, they have a red Jumpman, and on the new one, it has a blue Jumpman. The Jumpman on the back of the shoe is the same as the new one. And the differences of the shoe, the tail cap's not there. Because this one has one, and this one doesn't. The new one does. The old one doesn't, and the new one does. My final thoughts in this shoe was that this one looks much better to me, and this one doesn't. It doesn't. Like this one more. Boys and girls, this is my first video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And there's more videos to come. See you next time.